Yes, if you are a successful man struggling with erection problems and you're wondering if porn is the cause, then this video today is for you. I'll be explaining how do we know if I've watched too much porn. That may be a question that's on your mind. Have I watched too much porn? So that's what I'll answer for you today, yes or no, to that question. And I'll also share with you a next step so that you can start fixing this erection struggle and start having great sex again, moving forward. So this question comes up a lot. Did I watch too much porn? And there's not a direct answer. Sometimes maybe you did. If there's this question in the mind, did I watch too much porn? Then there's an inclination towards the fact that, yes, I probably did watch too much porn if I'm even asking myself that question. But I would like to share something with you that really helped me to understand that instead of using this question, we should switch to another one. It's the same as asking somebody who has an eating issue, how much time did you spend eating? How much time did you spend eating? So you can see that isn't really the thing, right? How much time did I spend watching porn? That isn't really the thing. It's more about the relationship that I have with porn. What happens in my mind? What happens? What am I doing when I'm watching porn? So that's the question to understand more about. Is the relationship that I have with porn, does it feel good, or does it feel like this is not taking me in the direction I want in life? So that's the question that I would like you to ask yourself instead of the have I watched too much porn? To switch it to, does it feel good? Is it taking me good for my life? Is it taking me in the direction that I want when I watch porn? So that's it for today. And you can see just a really simple switch from one type of question to the other. And I would like to share with you a free tool so that you can actually start fixing the erection struggle and avoid no sex life. So below in the comments, you will see a link, and this will take you straight through to the page. If you copy and paste that into your browser, it will take you straight onto the page to get access to a tool that I call the sex wheel. And this will take you about 5 minutes to complete, but on that page, there's more information so you can see whether this tool is for you or not. Okay, thank you.